Okay, Al, what brought you to NUCCA Chiropractic?
I had chronic backache for years. It would come and go, and it got worse the older I got. And I went to numerous chiropractors that would twist, crack, break you in half, everything else like that. And sometimes it was temporary relief, but it was never a fix. And then one time I actually had a guy chiropractor told me, your hips are cocked. But when you adjust them, they would just go right back. And what brought me to NUCCA was a friend of mine who was a carpenter, went to a local physician, a general practitioner, and he had referred him to Dr. Dickholz in Chicago. And when he told me what he had done, I thought I better go check it out. So I went to Dr. Dickholz, who you know what he is, and you know, he really educated me on what NUCCA was, and it worked. And I've sent numerous people to NUCCA, probably at least 10, 15 different people. Sure.
What's been your experience with NUCCA?
I think the best way to describe it is it's a long-term benefit. It's not a miracle. It's something that if you stay with it, it gets gradually better. And when you really think about it, that, you know, if you're middle-aged or whatever age you are, it took time to get to that point where you're ill or not feeling well. And so now it just takes time to revert it and move it back the other direction. But if you stay with it, it's a miracle.
Excellent. What have you done in order to help other people and encouraging them to receive NUCCA care?
I basically give them a 1-minute commercial on, you know, what the atlas vertebrae is and what Dr. Dickholz told me as far as the head balancing on the spine and so forth. And I tell them look up the website, you know, and that pretty much convinces them. And then of course those are strangers, and if they're friends of mine, they pretty much just say, okay, if you tried it, I'll try it. So.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Great. Is there any other words of encouragement for someone that would be interested in, you know, checking this out and trying to figure out if this would be the thing that would help them?
I would say, you know, look at the website, educate yourself a little bit what it is, and have faith, and it works.